For half a century, the standard model of particle physics has been our most successful guide to the universe, yet it contains a glaring 25% hole. The equations have no way to account for dark matter, leaving a massive portion of our reality unexplained. To find the missing pieces, scientists test a core principle, lepton universality. This rule mandates the universe treats electrons and heavier muons identically. But inside CERN's accelerators, this rule is breaking. In specific transformations, researchers record a flood of electrons and a lack of muons. This discrepancy carries a 4 sigma tension in the language of statistics. That means there is only a 1 in 16,000 chance that this is a random fluctuation in the data. This shift represents the first time in 50 years that our theoretical predictions have objectively diverged from the physical reality we observe in the lab. Deep beneath the French-Swiss border, the Large Hadron Collider accelerates beams of protons in opposite directions at nearly the speed of light. These protons are smashed together to see if the debris contains hints of undiscovered physics. Inside the lhcb detector, physicists isolate incredibly short-lived particles called b-mesons or beauty mesons, which emerge from the wreckage of those proton collisions. These beauty mesons rapidly transform through a quantum event known as penguin decay. A beauty quark morphs into a strange quark, scattering a kaon, a pion, and 2 muons. This pathway is vanishingly rare, occurring in only 1 out of every 1 million beauty mesons. Because this decay is so fragile, it acts as a hypersensitive tripwire. Even the slightest pull from an undiscovered particle would be enough to alter the final count of muons. If the muons are missing, we have to identify the force responsible for stealing them. We can rule out the usual suspects. Known standard model processes, like charming penguins, are simply not powerful enough to explain the scale of the muon deficit we are seeing in the data. This leaves the possibility of heavier, unseen particles, cousins to the ones we already know, exerting a hidden quantum pull on the decaying quarks. The most compelling suspect is the leptoquark. These particles are theorized to interact with both leptons and quarks simultaneously. By creating a direct link between these two groups, a leptoquark could siphon probability away from the muons and toward electrons. Confirming a leptoquark would provide the first evidence of a single particle that unites previously separate domains of matter. Before claiming a discovery, we have to be sure the lhcb detector isn't just failing to see the muons that are there. This chart displays the significance of angular coefficients from the lhcb calibration, testing how precisely the detector tracks particles. Because these points align perfectly with the central axis, we know the machine records honestly. The lack of muons is physical reality, not hardware error. The current 4 sigma tension is intriguing, but the scientific community requires 5 sigma for an official discovery, a threshold representing 1 in 1.7 million certainty. Reaching that level of proof requires sheer volume. Planned upgrades into the 2030s will produce datasets 15 times larger than our current samples, providing billions of additional collisions to study. Reaching that 5 sigma mark would provide our first empirical foothold into the physics of dark matter, identifying the particles that fill the vast invisible portions